Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like if you like today, you're going to love tomorrow. If you don't mind temperatures in the lower 90s and heat indices in the low 100s. At least it's been dry after such a wet September. Some nice dry air. Overall, just a few isolated showers, but this weekend, scattered showers and thunder showers returning, and the humidity here to stay for a while longer. Plus, we're watching a disturbance heading for the Gulf. That's going to be our probably our headline maker as we go into next week. Near term, though, just a few widely scattered showers and thunder showers late this afternoon. Here's a 3-hour loop, and you can see not much going on. Couple of isolated blips on the radar. Got a nice little cell just north of the Sulphur area west of Lake Charles. Moving to the west-northwest, then another isolated shower in around the Welsh area as we get into beautiful Jeff Davis Parish, and that cell that was over by the Lake Arthur area pretty much has dissipated. And then we go down to the south and east, just seeing a few more showers showing up Chafalaya Bay and into the coastal marsh of St. Mary Parish, but most of the activity looks to be done with or diminishing, and it's going to be a quiet night tonight. So as we open it on up, big picture, we got a little bit of a moisture surge that's just bypassing us to the south, but another one by Florida that's going to be traversing the Gulf of Mexico, and high pressure that's been planted aloft just to the north and east of us is going to shift to the east, so that's going to allow that moisture to come toward Louisiana as we head into Saturday and Sunday, and that's why we think we're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms returning to the forecast. Meanwhile, in the tropics, busy in the Pacific, Hurricane Sergio maxed out at 140-mile-an-hour winds, now down to 130, Cat 4, should be down to a Cat 3 later on tonight. Eventually, some of this moisture could be heading for the southwest U.S., but that's a long ways down the road. Meanwhile, the Atlantic Basin still busy. Tropical storm Leslie, though, down from a hurricane, now just a big tropical storm. 70-mile-an-hour winds moving to the north and then eventually to the east and continuing to weaken. Then we have this disturbance that's down here by Nicaragua and Honduras, right along those country lines. A very broad area of low pressure, but upper level winds are way too strong right now, and we don't anticipate any development over the next couple of days, maybe 3 days, but beyond that, National Hurricane Center gives us about a 40% chance of development as we go into early next week. How is it going to play out? Tough to tell when you got a lot of shear going on, and we don't know where that low is going to be, but we think close to the Yucatan as we get into Monday. So we'll track the European model moisture, and you can see it's got a lot of that deep tropical moisture, weak area of low pressure by the tip of the Yucatan as we head into early next week. Then we get out into the central Gulf of Mexico. This is where we could see a tropical depression, perhaps a tropical storm form. If so, the name would be Michael, but we're just going to have to wait and see. Now, going into Tuesday, Wednesday, there's going to be a big trough in the west, high pressure off to the east, so whatever system could develop will move to the north and then maybe to the northeast, but notice how close it is to southeast Louisiana as we get into Wednesday, Thursday of next week with that moisture moving inland, so something we will have to watch. If the system misses us to the east, that's good news. That's going to drive in drier air and ultimately cooler air down the line. Unfortunately, very wet weather could be on tap for the Carolinas and Florida once again. Some areas still reeling from Florence just a few weeks ago, and we are sitting pretty through next weekend. That's right now. Tomorrow the story could change. So in the near term, it's going to be quiet tomorrow morning, maybe a little light fog. Lunchtime looks quiet, looks great for drive time. Rain chance tomorrow in the 10% range. Then we head into Saturday. You see the scattered showers just offshore in the morning. They'll be migrating inland for the afternoon, so back to the 40 to 50% chance of showers and storms for your Saturday. So here we are, 4 months into the summer. Still a sultry night. We'll call it number 125, but that's just an estimate. Warm and humid, 74 the low. Back up to 92 for a high. That was the high today, which was actually 3 degrees shy of a record. So a summary finish to the week. Heat index again up to 102 tomorrow. And as we go down the line, rain chances perk up Saturday, Sunday. They drop down Monday. And then it gets more interesting the middle part of next week. We'll say watching the Gulf for a potential development. It is that time of year still now.
Yeah, it's October and it's temperatures in the 90s out there.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's a little weird still.
Yeah.
But a tropical system in the Gulf, not unusual.
Okay, we'll be watching it. Right. Thanks, Rob.